Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the update on Alchemy. Recently, the price of Alchemy has again broken out this previous neckline of this head and shoulder pattern that was previously broken out. You can see that this candlestick is recently closed above this neckline and now it can work as a support. Right now, the price is still moving above this support. We need to keep an eye on this support. That is the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern that is at 2.92 cents. And if we take a look at the volume, you can see that it's a very powerful reversal on this 4-hour time frame chart. The volume is also quite powerful as compared to the previous days. You can see that there was a very low buying or sell volume, and now we have this powerful buying volume. If I place a volume oscillator here, and you can see that the value of volume oscillator is showing 62.43, and more than 10 is enough to show a powerful buying volume. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it was also showing a bullish divergence as well as the price end was forming lower lows. At the same time, stochastic was oversold and it was forming higher lows, and it was showing a bullish divergence on this 4-hour time frame chart, and the price end has also followed this bullish divergence signal. And now recently we have broken out this neckline that was breaking at the resistance after the breakdown, and now it can again break as support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to show you once again this very huge ascending triangle that is formed here on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 22nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Alchemy. And first of all, let me to show the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that once again, we have a powerful buying volume and the price line has started a very nice bullish reversal. At the same time, there was also a bullish divergence signal flashed on this 4-hour time frame chart when the price line, after breaking down the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, was moving down. And at the same time, it was forming a lower lows. At the same time, you can see that stochastic was forming higher lows. And this was a quite clear bullish divergence signal, and the price and has followed this signal. Now we have again broken out this previous neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and that can now work as support. Therefore, now this current candlestick is very important, significant. If it will successful retest this support, like you can see on a 1-hour time frame, the pricing is still testing this previous resistance as support, then it may continue this move to the upside to the next resistance of 3.25 cents. That is also another very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 3.25 cents has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And before that, almost here, it was also breaking as a resistance. And here, back in the month of January 2022, it was breaking at a very nice support. Therefore, this time it can again break at a very strong resistance for the price line of Alchemy. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that first we broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we broke out another wedge, another wedge, another wedge, and another descending triangle. And we have already hit the target for the breakout for these all patterns. But so far, the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is about to be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. Now let's move to the monthly time frame chart. And here we have the formation of a very huge ascending triangle. Recently, the pricing is once again rejected by the resistance. And now if the pricing hits the support, then it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at 2 cents. But now after this powerful reversal, there is still a probability that without testing the support, the pricing may again hit the resistance of this big ascending triangle. By the way, the resistance is somewhere between 5 cents to 5.2 cents. And in case of breaking out this big ascending triangle, we can expect a very long-term and massive rally. That can be a quite long-term move because this is a monthly time frame chart. And in case of breaking it out, the technical target for this breakout from this triangle will be somewhere between 37 cents to 40 cents. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.